Do you want a clean, professional vinyl stickers on balloons like this? In this video, I will show you exactly how we make vinyl stickers and transfer them onto balloons step by step. First, let me show you some of the vinyl materials we have. Here we have a full 50-meter gold vinyl roll, a full 50-meter black vinyl roll. This is the one we'll be using today. A few loose 10-meter vinyl rolls and some 1-meter vinyl rolls. We will also be using a 50-meter transfer tape, which is essential for transferring the sticker onto the balloon. We will start with designing the sticker on the computer using Silhouette Studio. This step is mainly about choosing the text, font, and layout. Once the design is ready, we set it to the cutting machine. The machine that we are using is Cameo 5 cutting machine. We align the wire properly on the machine. Once everything is set, we will start the cut. The machine will slowly cut out a design, so just let it do its job. And this is how it looks once the cut is complete. We carefully peel the extra vinyl around the design, including the borders and the unwanted parts, leaving only the letters and the design we need. Take your time here to avoid lifting the sticker by accident. This is how it should look like once it's done. Next, we use the transfer tape. Unroll the transfer tape and place the sticker on top of the transfer tape, pressing gently so the stickers stick to the tape. Now, we are ready to apply the sticker onto the balloon. Carefully align the transfer tape on the balloon. Press slowly and evenly, making sure all the letters stick properly to the balloon surface. Once everything is secure, gently peel off the transfer tape one section at a time. And that's it. The vinyl sticker is now perfectly applied on the balloon. This is the final result. Clean, neat, and professional looking vinyl stickers on balloons. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy DIY how-to videos. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.